Does anybody have any questions? I know some newbies are on here. Forex, vision, anything. Feel free to ask. We don't bite. Rhett might just a little. Ubane, how you doing? I saw you in the chat earlier.
I am good.
That's good. Alright. Oh, Logan said he's driving. That's funny. Alright. Yeah, I think tonight will just be a short one, Rhett. Just because I really need to paint my wall. I have a woodworking guy. There we go. He built a gate for me, and it should be ready this weekend. But I have to paint my wall so I can put it in. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
I'm excited, though, because, you know, now we get to contain the small child from the kitchen. So, you know, that's always nice. Keep him out of the dog water bowl.
Right.
Oh, man. Like, I'm telling you, that's his, like, favorite thing to do. If he's not in the dog water or throwing dog food, then he's sticking his head out the dog door. So.
Oh, God.
Yes. Like, he's so cute, but at the same time, I'm just like, child, really? Like, why must you do this to me? So, we charted last night. Let me see if that transferred over or not. Not on this one. Hold on. Might have been on my other chart. That's the Canadian dollar. Let's see here. AUDUSD. There we go. All right, that one looks much better. Dun, 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 dun. All right. Yeah, we know it broke all of those, so that was interesting to see.
Yeah.
Although I'm really glad that we weren't long when that happened, because that would have been horrible. Although it definitely wasn't as bad as over here. Kind of the same move, though. Look at that. Spike, drop.
Yeah, it was crazy this week.
It really was. And then look, it's curving up just like it did there. So it's definitely going to go back up.
Yeah, that's what I was telling Logan. Like, last time it dipped this hard, it came right back up.
Yeah. It, like, consolidated for a little bit, like, right in here. Like, let me pull that up here. Yeah, consolidated for a little bit. Almost, like a half a day.
Yeah.
And then it shot up. So I would not be surprised if that's what it does again. Which will be nice.
Depending on the news.
Oh, yeah. It's, you know, because you saw how the dollar was skyrocketing today, right?
Yeah.
Like, that was just, whew, right? Yeah, it's at a, I didn't even plot that one. You should have. Horizontal. Yep, right there. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah.
And that's, it hit that one. So it'll probably consolidate right in here and then shoot back up. That'll be nice. I don't know if we had USDCAD done or not. No, apparently not. I mean, it's basically the opposite. So, like, literally, look at that. Right there. Right there. AUD.
So that news app that I downloaded?
That FX Street?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
9 hours ago, it says AUD USD drops below 7,700. Looks to post small losses for the week. And then US dollar index climbs to fresh weekly highs above 90.50.
Yep. We definitely saw that.
Yeah.
That was absolutely lovely. Let me see. And I can pull up the US dollar.
Oh, yeah. I forgot you had news on that one.
Yeah. DXY. There it is. Okay. Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah.
Like, that is insane.
Whew.
I'm just like, dude, come on. Go back down. We don't need you to rise. I know, what was it? I was reading on Daily FX. That's another good one that you should look into. They have AUD, divergence with Wall Street, risk continuing. May struggle to capitalize on rosy market mood. I'm like, And of course it says, all things considered, it's been pretty quiet for this sentiment-linked Australian dollar. No kidding. Like, we just dealt with this and this And this, like, good gravy. It says, 1 week implied validity continues to aim lower from late February peaks. I'm like, oh, I hope it doesn't go any lower. I mean, shoot, considering we're in a long. Says, so what gives and will this trend continue? Monetary policy expectations are likely playing a key role. We knew that. I mean, that's kind of obvious. Decline in longer-term treasury yields is not just isolated to the U.S., but apparently has been spilling into Australia at the same time. The local 10-year rate aimed for the worst weekly performance in about 1 year as Australian inflation expectations eased. So not only are we going through inflation issues, everyone else is too.
Huh.
So that's why the entire market, like everywhere, is just, if it's not going up, it's dropping hard. And if it's not doing either of those, then it's sideways as all get out.
Yeah.
It says, brings up the RBA rate, which was sooner, that cooled the hopes of sooner than anticipated policy tapering. Basically saying, worrying about the feds getting involved.
Yeah.
And then that was the biggest one. Although I did see a chart that paired the Australian dollar index versus Wall Street and the AU 10-year government bond yield. Needless to say, the Wall Street index was like way up and the other two were not. I was like, well, isn't that interesting? Although we do have good news because, I don't know if you saw it or not earlier, I posted a screenshot of gold. Helps if I spell it right. And so this, it had a Momo bull earlier today. This was earlier, yesterday. And then today, it dropped significantly. But at the end of the day, it popped a bull signal just like AUD.
Hell yeah.
Because remember me telling you that gold and AUD correlate?
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Just like oil affects USDCAD.
Yeah.
So I always think that's pretty interesting how, even though we don't take as much stock in them anymore, gold, silver, and oil still affect a lot of things.
Yeah, I definitely want to trade. I definitely want to start trading gold and silver again. So much money to be made there.
Honestly, I think I'm gonna get an AAFX account set up so that
Are
I
you?
can. Yeah, just so that I can trade gold. Because I think you've talked me into it. Just a little bit. So.
And just doing a 0.01 lot.
Oh yeah.
You can definitely grow your account.
Yeah, definitely. Oh my gosh, big time.
It's awesome.
But yeah, news this week, nothing, too unexpected. We did have the inflation news that we were kind of expecting. Well, not kind of, but definitely expecting. And that's what caused this little ripple right here. And then it seemed to have calmed down real quick. Tried to spike up and then just dropped. Thankfully bounced off that support right there.
Yeah.
So, honestly, it's holding up very well, especially considered, what it did that time. That was just, whew. But overall, I think this was a good week with Forex. The validity.
I really liked it.
Yeah, the validity really, it was definitely a nice change of pace, being that it seemed like it moved a little bit crazier this week. So that kind of, upped the stakes a little bit. But I think I ended up, let me look at my IG Forex. I think I ended up coming out with 200 for the week. Let me check. Oh no, it won't let me. Please. Well, apparently it's locked right now. But I think I was at 201 by the end of last night when I took that 24 and then the $30. And then I'm at 28 now. So yeah, I think I'm at plus 228 for the week.
Hell yeah.
So that's not bad at all. And then I know you did. What are you up for the week?
Oh man, I don't even know.
I know, because you've been scalping it all day and all night.
Yeah.
Because I know just yesterday you were up 50 for that one. So yeah, you're probably up about the same, if not more.
20. Let's do some math real quick.
Yeah.
73. 8. 8. 50 cents. $1. 260. 25. I'm up damn near 130, 150.
Heck Heck yeah.
Damn, that's a good week.
That's a real good week.
I didn't even realize that.
I like Safe Moon. Charwan, just saw your post in the chat. That is a really good week though, Rhett. Like,
Yeah.
and you didn't have any losses, so hey, that's a win.
Right?
Like, that's a double win right there. You should post that on Stocks Chatter.
I should.
That is definitely a good Forex post. That deserves a round of applause. Pa 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 pa. I did the golf clap for you. But yeah, that's impressive. Very nice, very nice. I like. Does anybody have any questions for those that are on with us? If not, this was kind of just a short news week. Nothing really important to go over besides the inflation news. And I mean, it really didn't affect the market as bad as anyone thought that it would. So that's definitely a plus. Brett, do you have anything?
No.
All right. Well, I think we're going to cut this video short since we've already charted and we're pretty set going into this next week. If y'all want to know more about charting, we do have other videos posted in the Rhett and Ross Trading Journey YouTube. And if there's anything else y'all want to see Forex wise, just let us know. We'd be happy to do a video on it. But I think that's it. What do you think, Rhett?
Yeah. Not too much to talk about today.
Not today. The news was pretty quick, simple, and easy.
Yeah.
Which, I mean, makes for a nice week. So hopefully we don't have anything interesting pop up next week.
Yeah.
All right, everybody. I'll let y'all enjoy your Friday night. Have a good one. Chat with y'all later.
Right on. Bye, guys.
See ya.